digitalization changes working environments. Job profiles are changing. With the Siemens training package for CNC training, you can specifically prepare trainees and students for the future requirements arising in the job. The training packages from Siemens for CNC professions are tailored to meet the requirements stated by vocational schools and universities. They comprise the control identical training software SinuTrain, which can be used as an offline programming workstation. SinuTrain is provided as a free basic version for training and can be downloaded from www.siemens.com/cnc4u. Today, it is normal that customers forward the manufacturing orders as CAD program. Prospective experts must therefore learn to read CAD data, enter corrections, and select the suitable machining strategy using CAM. The software suite NX from Siemens is provided as NX Academic Bundle. NX comprises a CAD and CAM module. The virtual machine, as an image of the real training machine, rounds off this approach. It allows trainees and students to virtually simulate the workpiece prior to the real machining process. The challenges for a CNC expert are increasing. So far, we only trained the operation and programming of CNC SINUMERIK. Today, it is necessary to integrate also CAD and CAM in the training. Additive manufacturing is a completely new process during which I learn to quickly create low-cost models, for example for prototypes. By means of NX, I get familiarized with different machining strategies which I can use, for example for the CNC milling machine or the 3D printer. With Siemens training packages for CNC training, well prepared for future requirements.